that WM Capture 12.10.7.2 offers reviews and download options for users. March 29th, 2026. Yo, I just checked WM Capture on Softpedia, and honestly, it's giving major retro vibes with a modern spin. The app promises to record your entire desktop or a chosen zone, which is clutch for tutorials, streams, or chaotic browser tabs. It nails the balance between simplicity and power, letting you tweak audio bitrate, frame rate, and output format in settings. The minimalist UI keeps distractions low, so you focus on capturing what matters: your screen, your voice, and the final cut. What really clicked for me is the smart auto detection feature that grabs the active window and audio by default. It feels like magic until you realize it's just good UX. You can also switch targets on the fly, perfect for quick guides. If you're into hotkeys and background recording, WM Capture doesn't ghost you, it gives you those tools without the clutter. It's the kind of software that makes you feel capable, even if you're not coding in your sleep. The reviewers at Softpedia highlight its practical approach, and I second that energy. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. The download page is straightforward, and the description nails what you actually get, not just what's marketed. If you're crafting a how-to video, a product demo, or a quick screen share, this tool slots in nicely as a reliable workhorse. It's surprisingly approachable for a tool that does so much. As with anything, there's room for improvement, like refining export presets for niche formats or trimming steps in the setup wizard. Still, WM Capture brings a nonsense user-friendly vibe to screen recording, which is exactly what many creators crave in 2026. If you want dependable results without the hype, this is a solid one to keep on your dock for crisp, shareable footage.